Hack file upload vulnerability. File upload vulnerability. What is malicious file? File with an extension can harm the server or computer. For example, if files uses dangerous functions such as systems, exec or any other system calls, can be suspected and should be investigated and can be executed in controlled environment or sandbox, as these functions can execute OS commands on the server and can help hacker to control the server. In most of the cases, malicious files use as extension such as exe, ps1, msi, etc. File upload vulnerability is a major problem with web-based applications. Many organizations and businesses provide file upload functionality to the customers and users. It's a key feature. In case if web application allows uploading any extension file to the server without validation, then it could lead to file upload vulnerability exploitation. There is a higher probability that hacker may tries to exploit file upload feature. For example, file upload functionality expects image file with extension .jpeg or .png. In that case, if attacker manages to upload files with extension such as .php, .asp, aspx or .html file or double extension and then exploit the server, then we say there is a malicious file upload vulnerability in the application. Let's look at diagram here. Webshell.php consists system function. Hacker try to upload it and then it gets uploaded. Server returns status code 200. It means that file uploaded successfully. When hacker tries to access to webshell.php file, server execute it and return results to the hacker. In this case, user ID and group ID information return to the hacker. This is how file upload functionality gets compromised. So this is the most dangerous vulnerability. So we need to pay attention to it. Why file upload vulnerability occurs? Primarily two reasons. First, improper file validation. Improper file validation means the application is not properly validating file contents and properties such as name, type, size while uploading. Second reason is inadequate filters. Failing to enforce restrictions on file contents and properties. It means that file upload function can be used to upload arbitrary and potentially dangerous files. If the file contains malicious server-side script, it will compromise the whole server when script gets executed. File inclusion attack is very similar to file upload attack. The difference is that file upload attack uses uploading function on a target website, but file inclusion attack uses user input maliciously. That's a key difference between file inclusion and file upload attacks. Let's exploit file upload vulnerability in upcoming sessions. I'll demonstrate exploitation techniques to exploit file upload vulnerabilities and come up with the defensive techniques and preventive measures to prevent file upload vulnerabilities. This we will discuss more in upcoming session.